here. I pray all is well with you. And there's a video. I want to share this magazine that I got from the Dollar Tree, right? In the video, I showed how it retailed for $4.99. You see that? $4.99. I think you can see that, right? But it was in the Dollar Tree for $1. I started. I read the cover and the inside cover in that other video, but I'm gonna do it right here in the haul video. So this is a vintage style DIY, 33 easy makeovers using paint, salvage, and scraps, refresh rooms, can-do fabric upgrades, and furniture fix-ups, pretty paper projects, and custom storage. And I like that it's vintage style. Ooh. Okay, so right here, would you like to be an antiques appraiser? And they have where you could get this free hard copy course for prospective books. To get the free book is at www.ashford.com. Again, that's www.ashford.com. And Ashford is spelled ASHEFORD. Again, ASHEFORD.com. So if you wanted to get the book, you can request it online. And this is for an antique appraiser or dealer. So here are the contents. Fabric, wood, yarn, paper, concrete, paint dipping. Interesting. So they have here for fabric, a printed cushion, how to make a tassel. Ooh, you see, I like it. I watched videos with this, but I also want to look at this one. I guess they're talking about these tassels. I really like this. The more yarn you use, the fluffier the tassel will be. So that would be cool to do. Old and new cushions. Okay, caring for vintage fabric. They show you how to do that. And these are DIY, so. Slip. Okay. Alright, so I was up to the part with the slip covers. So slip covers, okay. A simple way to make a cushion cover is to sew as you would a pillowcase. And it tells you the measurements. And even how to make the stool cover. And it tells you what things, you know, you can use the old things to use, which is the cover, the which could be an old bed linen. It says you don't need zippers or buttons, so that's cool. All right. What does it mean to be healthy now? Visit parade.com. Okay. Oh, pop covers, easy peasy, pretty placements. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, pop covers, that's nice. Okay. Hit refresh. Okay, somebody, you know, refresh this bench. Your opinions matters to us. Okay, you can win a $50 gift card at parade.com/$mag opinion. Oh, they got different things, different magazines. Oh, that's nice. That's real vintage. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. That's really nice. Recycle a palette. You know, sometimes the supermarkets throw these things out. They're showing how to. Oh, I like this. They're showing how that you could put decoration on it. And that's cool. They gave me an idea for something. Okay. That gave me an idea for something. I want to try it today. Oh, look at this natural ladder. It's made from fallen tree branches and a bit of white paint. You see, this is what I'm saying. Look at this. This is so cool. You got some white paint and you see, you could get some inexpensive white paint or some more expensive one if you want. And fallen tree branches. And I've seen these type of ladders for quite a bit of money. Look at this, a branch hook. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. And they show you how to make it too. Super storage using planks of wood. Um, wow, wow. You can make this could come from this. This quite a bit of work goes into this, but you know, some people, what they do is when they see the measurements of the like wooden stuff, they may not have like a garage or a place where they can saw, and they may not even have those tools, so they could go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get the exact measurements of the planks of wood, and all they have to do is like now nail and glue and drill. Please be seated. This is cute. The frame game. Oh, using some of these things to make frames. That is so nice. The spool, the thread spool. That is so cool. Oh my god, that is so nice. So this is please be seated, and this is a frame game. So hunt for old wooden spools. Okay. And this is the background of this is wrapping paper. Wow. And if you don't have like wood, you can make picture frames with cardboard too. Okay, I need to move on because I'm gonna have to shut this down in a moment. Okay, the African flower. Okay, showing how to do some crocheting, I guess that is, yeah. Flowers for flowers. Okay. I can crochet, but I don't do that as often. I have a few supplies. I like this. Let me see what this is on the back of. This would be nice for some Bible journaling. Of course you have to, if you don't want those words, you can write them out, but I just like the real-time photo, the photos, they're real photos. I like that. A floral tray, how to make a floral tray. Using wallpaper. These are the paper crafts. You know, using decorative paper for your hangers, holders. Wow. Making something for the wall. A vintage star. A wallpaper collage. Somebody texted me earlier. Wallpaper collage. That's cool. I like this. Wow. Set the scene. Another paper craft. Making pom-poms. Now using concrete. Okay, I'm gonna go check that and see. Okay, concrete pots. I'm at the end here. Then you can make a concrete table. And then mini leaves. Ooh, something to do with leaves. That looks cool. Oh, with concrete. Okay. Oh, this person made like a trinket tray. Alright. And a patio table. Making a patio table with concrete. So they got some basic. It seems to me it's like some basic, medium, and then high end things to make. But it's like something in here for everyone. Depending on your skill level or the tools and the materials you have. And then taking a dip. This is cool. Oh, you see? I see that. See, from this one DIY page, I see other things. That's awesome. I see other things just like that. But I like what they have here. but other ideas came to mind just from seeing this. Okay, so that's it for this magazine. It's called the Vintage Style DIY 33 Easy Makeovers. I got it from $1 at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so with that being read and shared, thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.